welcome back to the channel. Another one in the snow. So I want to show you my favorite way to go hiking, which is to go sledding. It's the most efficient, fast, fun way to get down the trail. You know, I wish someone would build like a zip line with some of the hikes I've been doing, but this is a close second. Honestly, no, sorry, not a close second. This is even better than a zip line. Like sledding down the hike or the trail you just went on is one of the best experiences ever. So let's get to it. Let me show you guys. So when I married my wife, she's white, Caucasian, I'm brown, Hispanic. I thought there was gonna be like a, I guess, misalignment of different like cultures. Like she would think pepper is spicy, or her family would do a turkey trot every Thanksgiving, or I would have green bean casserole at some family event, those kind of things. But little did I know is that she goes ham sledding. And I mean, this isn't like a little, like just a really big hill and just going as fast as possible. No, this is walking several miles or kilometers and just hiking, shredding down the trail as fast as possible. Now you might be asking yourself, all right, if your wife is such a pro, where is she at the moment? Well, she wasn't feeling very well. And this is the third time I've tried to film this. First time there was an accident, second time there just wasn't enough snow. And sadly, the time that it seems that the stars are aligning, she's not feeling very well. So it'll just be me, sad, yeah, I know. Hi. So you might be asking yourself, Eric, where are you? Looks so beautiful. Well, I'm actually at Big Springs. Oh look, there's someone that comes skiing. We will see him. You can go.
Are you good?
Yeah.
Sorry. Enjoy.
Me trying to be nice to hit my camera. Well, so much for that shot, I'll just tell you. Where were we? So yes, I'm at Big Springs in Provo Canyon, Utah in the USA. And how long is the hike? I'm actually not sure because I've never actually done the full hike. I just go as high as I want and then I just let down. So I will tell you later in the video, but it's gorgeous. Remember earlier in the video how I showed you that Aaron got into an accident? Well, this is it. So be careful, it's fun, but stay safe, please guys, please. Oh boy, we finally made it. Okay, so it took me 1 hour and 8 minutes. I climbed 935 feet and total, let's see, 2.1 miles. So yeah, it's pretty good for like a little bit over an hour. Okay, so now comes the fun part. Sliding down. So let's go over some steps first before we do that because we gotta be safe. All right guys, please remember to keep your feet and hands inside the vehicle at all times. If you need to stop, put out your feet or tuck and roll and pray for the best. Good luck. Oh. right, just made it back. So let's see how long it took us. It took us 31 minutes to sled down. Max speed of 10 miles per hour. That's pretty impressive. So yeah, this is it, guys. So best way to go hiking is to sled down it. All right, please subscribe, like. It helps me keep going and fund more of these trips. So catch you on the next one. See ya.